How to fix Instagram automatically closing in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, to fix this problem it's actually very easy. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, or what you have to do is just wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Instagram, click on it like this, and now here click on the first option for stop, click on data users. Scroll down, disable the mobile data and Wi-Fi and enable them again. Now go back to the settings, go to wireless and networks, and then disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and reopen Instagram, and it must be fixed. If it's not, then you make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then you need to go to the Play Store and update your Instagram app from here. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.